This food has more protein than eggs. Prevent muscle loss after 60 naturally. The memory remains vivid in my mind. Several years ago, I began every single morning by boiling 2 eggs, firmly believing that this simple ritual was the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. For decades, the collective wisdom told us that eggs were the undisputed champions of the protein world. I felt confident, perhaps even a bit smug, about my breakfast choice until a routine physical examination shifted my perspective entirely. My doctor looked directly at me and asked a probing question. Are you truly certain you are consuming enough high-quality protein to properly maintain your muscle mass? I laughed off the suggestion, pointing to my daily egg consumption as proof of my nutritional diligence. However, the doctor simply shook his head, signaling that my understanding was fundamentally flawed. That conversation served as an eye-opening lesson that deeply unsettled my assumptions about nutrition. I soon discovered that while eggs contain approximately 13 grams of protein per 100 grams, they are far from the nutritional powerhouse I once believed them to be. In the broader world of food science, there are numerous options that offer 4 to 5 times that amount of protein. The most concerning realization was that almost no one over the age of 60 is aware of these superior alternatives. This lack of awareness contributes to a silent, gradual decline in muscle mass, which manifests as a slower gait, weakened legs, and a significantly increased risk of debilitating falls. Today, I am sharing the top 10 foods that surpass eggs in protein density, ranked from 10 up to the remarkable source currently being studied for its ability to help stroke survivors rebuild muscle. Every claim presented here is rooted in published scientific research, ensuring that you are getting reliable information to protect your long-term vitality. Greek yogurt. Coming in at number 10 is a staple you have likely seen in every grocery store, yet you may have never fully appreciated its muscle-building potential. Greek yogurt, specifically the non-fat strained variety, is a nutritional powerhouse. While most people recognize it as a healthy choice, few realize the sheer volume of protein packed into this creamy, strained version. With roughly 10.3 grams of protein per 100 grams, it handily surpasses the 6.3 grams found in a boiled egg, providing nearly double the protein without the extra fat. This unique profile is the result of a rigorous filtration process performed 3 times over, which removes excess liquid whey and lactose, leaving behind a thick, dense product that is incredibly easy on the digestive system. A pivotal 2020 study published in the journal Nutrients revealed that seniors who consumed at least 20 grams of dairy-based protein daily preserved 25% more muscle mass over a 12-week period, particularly when combined with consistent daily movement like walking. This represents tangible, measurable protection against the age-related decline of the body. Even individuals with mild lactose sensitivities often find that they can enjoy this strained variety without discomfort. To maximize your benefits, always reach for the plain, non-fat version, rather than those pre-sweetened options laden with syrups or added sugars. You can easily integrate it into your routine by mixing in ground flax seeds, topping it with fresh antioxidant-rich berries, blending it into your breakfast smoothie, or using it as a savory, protein-heavy base for dressings and dips. Cooked chickpeas. The 9th entry on our list is a humble pantry staple that has likely been sitting in your cupboard for months, waiting to provide substantial strength. Cooked chickpeas deliver approximately 11.2 grams of protein per 100 grams, quietly outperforming eggs while offering a nutritional profile that is far more beneficial for the aging body. Unlike eggs, which are entirely devoid of fiber, chickpeas are loaded with dietary fiber, which is essential for regulating digestion, managing blood sugar levels, and reducing the chronic inflammation that often accompanies aging. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that older adults who substituted animal protein with plant-based legumes like chickpeas experienced up to 26% less muscle loss over time, a benefit largely attributed to improved gut health and lower systemic inflammation. Beyond protein and fiber, chickpeas are an excellent source of magnesium, a vital mineral required for proper muscle contraction and accelerated recovery. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to muscle tightness, weakness, and persistent fatigue. For the best results, soak your chickpeas overnight before cooking them to improve their texture, digestibility, and the bioavailability of their nutrients. Once cooked, the culinary possibilities are endless. Blend them into a smooth, garlic-infused hummus, roast them with spices for a crunchy snack, or stir them into hearty stews and curries for a filling, protein-dense meal. Cooked quinoa. Moving to number 8, we find a food that is small in size but packs an impressive nutritional punch. Cooked quinoa provides about 14 grams of complete protein per 100 grams, which is a rare feat in the plant kingdom. Because it is a complete protein, it contains all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks your body cannot produce on its own, but requires to repair and strengthen muscle tissue. One of the primary reasons quinoa is exceptional for older adults is its high concentration of lysine, an amino acid critical for muscle repair, collagen production, and calcium absorption. A 2022 study in the journal Nutrients showed that seniors who added quinoa to their daily diet experienced a 9% increase in leg strength over 8 weeks compared to those who did not. To optimize quinoa, soaking it overnight helps reduce natural compounds called saponins that can hinder nutrient absorption. When cooking, substitute plain water for bone broth or low-sodium vegetable stock to infuse extra minerals, and consider adding a dash of turmeric and black pepper to harness anti-inflammatory benefits. Whether served in a warm grain bowl, incorporated into a savory breakfast, or tossed into a vegetable stir-fry, just 3/4 of a cup per day can significantly boost your energy and improve your muscle recovery over time. Pumpkin seeds. At number 7, we encounter a protein source that is widely worshipped by endurance athletes but strangely neglected by many seniors. Pumpkin seeds offer 19 grams of protein per 100 grams, nearly doubling the protein content of eggs. However, their true value lies in their mineral profile. These seeds are densely packed with magnesium, iron, and zinc, 3 essential minerals that many individuals over the age of 60 struggle to maintain in adequate quantities. Magnesium is necessary for preventing muscle cramping. Iron ensures your muscles receive the oxygen needed for repair, and zinc is vital for reconstructing muscle tissue. Without these minerals, even a high-protein diet may fail because the body cannot efficiently utilize that protein. A study featured in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that daily consumption of pumpkin seeds helped reduce muscle inflammation by 38% in older adults within just 12 weeks, essentially helping to reverse the hidden chronic inflammation that steadily breaks down muscle tissue. To avoid the negative effects of excess sodium, always choose raw, unsalted seeds. You can sprinkle them over your Greek yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or grind them into a homemade seed butter to incorporate this strength-building food into your daily diet easily. Tempeh, number 6 on our list, is a food often associated with fitness enthusiasts. Yet it is a genuine game changer for older adults striving for continued independence. Tempeh offers 20 grams of protein per 100 grams, but it is the method of delivery that sets it apart. Unlike tofu, which is derived from soy milk, tempeh is made from fermented whole soybeans. This fermentation process is transformative. It not only makes the protein easier for an aging digestive system to process, but also unlocks additional nutrients that protect muscle tissue. Tempeh provides a full spectrum of essential amino acids, including a high dose of leucine, the specific amino acid required to trigger muscle growth, which is crucial as the body's protein response naturally declines after the age of 60. Furthermore, the fermentation process makes tempeh a natural source of probiotics. A major study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors with a diverse, healthy gut microbiome maintained 18% more lean muscle mass over the course of a year compared to those with poor gut health. To enjoy tempeh, slice it thinly and sear it in a pan with a splash of tamari or apple cider vinegar to bring out its nutty, savory profile. It works perfectly when crumbled into stir-fries, layered in sandwiches, or used as a meat substitute in your favorite dishes. Spirulina. We are now moving into a category of nutrient-dense powerhouses, and at number 5, we find spirulina. For every 100 grams, this blue-green algae delivers a staggering 29 grams of protein, roughly triple the amount found in eggs. Remarkably, up to 85% of the protein in spirulina is bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb it and convert it into strength with incredible efficiency. It provides all 9 essential amino acids, acting as a clear, potent signal to your aging muscles that it is time to repair and rebuild. Spirulina also tackles the silent enemy of muscle health, inflammation. It contains a unique compound known as phycocyanin, which a 2022 nutrient study showed could lower C-reactive protein levels by 32%. C-reactive protein is a major marker of inflammation in the body. Additionally, spirulina enhances nitric oxide production, which improves blood flow and allows oxygen and nutrients to reach muscle fibers more effectively. Incorporating it into your diet is simple. You do not need to consume massive amounts. Adding just 1 teaspoon to your morning smoothie or stirring it into oatmeal is enough to notice improvements in muscle strength, and energy levels within a few weeks of consistent use. Hemp seeds. At number 4, we have hemp seeds, which provide about 35 grams of protein per 100 grams. Like our previous entry, hemp seeds provide all 9 essential amino acids in the ideal proportions for muscle repair. This balance is critical after 60, as the body becomes naturally more resistant to protein absorption. A 2021 review in Frontiers in Nutrition highlighted that seniors who included complete plant proteins like hemp in their daily meals reported better muscle retention, reduced fatigue, and faster recovery after physical exertion. Beyond their protein content, hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, specifically gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA. GLA is known for supporting joint health, promoting mental clarity, and providing significant heart protective benefits. Because hemp seeds have a mild, nutty flavor and a soft texture, they are easy to include in any meal. Sprinkle them over roasted vegetables, stir them into hot cereal, or blend them into your favorite beverage. Just remember to avoid cooking them over high heat, as their delicate, healthy oils can break down and lose their nutritional efficacy. Seitan. The third most powerful protein on our list is seitan, a food that is often misunderstood but holds immense potential for the aging population. Often referred to as wheat meat, seitan is created from vital wheat gluten and provides a stunning 39 grams of protein per 100 grams. This puts it on par with the highest quality cuts of meat, yet it lacks the saturated fats and inflammatory compounds associated with animal products. For those over 60, seitan is exceptionally easy to digest because the processing removes most of the wheat starch and fiber, leaving behind a highly concentrated, pure protein source. Research published in Clinical Nutrition ESPN in 2022 showed that seniors who utilized plant-based protein isolates like seitan maintained 21% more lean muscle mass than those following a traditional mixed diet. It is also naturally low in carbohydrates and fat, making it an excellent option for those monitoring their blood sugar or cholesterol. Its chewy, meat-like texture makes it highly versatile in the kitchen. You can grill it, pan-sear it with garlic and herbs, or use it in stir-fries. For an extra nutritional boost, pair your seitan with vitamin C-rich vegetables like bell peppers or kale, which helps your body absorb the non-heme iron within the wheat protein more efficiently. Parmesan cheese. Our number 2 spot goes to a food that is aged for perfection and scientifically proven to be an efficient source of muscle fuel. Parmesan cheese provides 42 grams of protein per 100 grams, far surpassing eggs, beef, and most other dairy products. The secret to its power is the aging process, which lasts anywhere from 12 to 36 months. During this time, the proteins in the cheese are broken down into free-form amino acids, making them significantly easier for the body to absorb, a benefit that is increasingly important as our digestive enzyme production slows with age. A 2019 study published in Nutrients found that older adults absorb amino acids from aged cheeses like Parmesan nearly 30% more efficiently than they do from meat. Parmesan is also loaded with leucine, the primary trigger for muscle protein synthesis. With 30 grams of Parmesan providing over 1.5 grams of leucine, it helps ensure that your body has the raw materials it needs to prevent sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. Sprinkle some freshly grated Parmesan over your favorite warm dishes, such as roasted vegetables or omelets, to increase your protein intake without needing to eat large, heavy portions that might otherwise overwhelm your appetite. Dried fish powder. Finally, at number 1, we reach the pinnacle of protein-packed foods for seniors. It is something you will not find in the typical grocery store, dairy aisle, or the butcher shop, yet it is a therapeutic breakthrough for muscle maintenance. Dried fish powder, made from dehydrating lean fish like cod or pollock, provides a jaw-dropping 63 grams of protein per 100 grams. This is nearly double the protein content of eggs and higher than most whey protein supplements on the market. The protein in this powder is absorbed rapidly, allowing your muscles to utilize it almost immediately for essential repair. A 2020 clinical study in the journal Clinical Nutrition observed seniors who consumed dried cod powder daily. Even without modifying their exercise habits, the participants saw a 19% gain in lean muscle mass over 10 weeks. This is a dramatic result for such a small, easy dietary adjustment. It is rich in leucine, providing over 3 grams in just a 25-gram serving, which is well above the threshold required to trigger muscle synthesis. Because the powder is fine and easily dissolved, it is perfect for soups, stews, or even savory oatmeal, making it an ideal solution for those who struggle with chewing or have a diminished appetite. By choosing a high-quality, food-grade version without added salt or preservatives, you are giving your body the most concentrated, usable fuel possible to maintain your strength and independence long after 60. You now have the knowledge to move beyond eggs and embrace a more diverse, effective approach to nutrition that actively fights the effects of aging. Every small change you make, whether it is adding a spoonful of hemp seeds to your yogurt or incorporating dried fish powder into your soup, is a step toward a stronger, more capable future. Staying strong and healthy as you age is not just a matter of luck or genetics. It is the direct result of the choices you make every single day in your kitchen. Which of these 10 foods will you begin incorporating into your life starting today? Sharing your progress can be a source of encouragement for others on this same journey, so please leave a comment to let us know your thoughts. If this information has been helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss another update on how to protect your health and freedom. Thank you for your continued support and for choosing to take control of your well-being.